In this video, we're going to show you how to inspect your silverware basket. Silverware baskets take a fair bit of wear and tear of the silverware being put in and pulled out. Some of it gets put in, it's twisted, and sometimes they'll break. Little pieces will come away or crack and create an opening. And you'll see that in the bottom where it's possible that they'll break, they get brittle over time from all the hot water and use, and pieces will fall out and you won't even be aware of it. But what'll happen is when you go to load some silverware in your basket, you'll be putting your knives in and they'll do exactly that. But what happens is they're doing it inside your dishwasher. They go down through the hole, and what that does is you now have something that's hanging down where your spray arm's going to be. And when your machine's washing and that spray arm gets stopped by something sticking down through your silverware basket, it's now going to be shooting water straight out at the corner where your door seal is and the door. And there's enough force in that pressure coming out of those spray arms that'll push it right past the seal and it'll start leaking down into the corners. So if you're getting that intermittent leak and it's hitting down at the corners, take your silverware basket out and just basically inspect it. Look for some broken pieces. Check the bottom to see that nothing's fallen out. Or when you go to take your basket out or slide your rack out and maybe the rack catches because something's starting to protrude through, it's time to think about replacing your basket. It can save you a lot of money and a lot of water damage in your home.